Morning traders, it's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. We're in the middle of the week, Wednesday morning, and the trading week is getting very interesting due to the events we're having. Simply we got yesterday inflation report CPI. It went to 1.5%, which was better than expected. How this is related to the whole situation, Federal Reserve Chairman last week announced that they are not going to touch the inflation until they see the target CPI, Consumer Price Index inflation report, to 2%. A 2% target, and to stay a little bit for a while there. So simply this means one thing: Federal Reserve is going to print money until we see 2% consumer price index for some time. So that's important because inflation went to 1.5, I repeat, 1.5%, but still far from the 2% target that the Federal Reserve is having. Also, the US dollar, that's why US dollar is down due to potential supply growth because of the printing plans of the Federal Reserve. And this is definitely what can push the majors going up again. What do we have on the calendar? Wednesday, we're having interest rate decision, 2 a.m. GMT in the morning, already released. Exactly the same. The interest rate they kept the interest rate the same, 0.25%. So we have crude oil inventories today, 2:30 p.m. GMT time, and Federal Reserve Chairman is going to give a speech today, 4 p.m. GMT. Very important event because he's going to clarify a little bit more about the current situation. Thursday, employment change, 1:30 a.m. GMT, core retail sales, initial jobless claims, retail sales, and Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index. These four events are related to the US dollar and very, very important. And Friday, of course, CPI on the Eurozone for the Euro as well, 9 a.m. GMT, and building permits, 12:30. What's more interesting, as always, the charts, of course. So what do we have in front of us? Euro US dollar is pushing up. Simply the dollar is pushing down because of what we just said, and it's pretty normal. We talked about it, that Euro US dollar right now is not in a downtrend, even though it started creating lower lows and lower highs. So we have a long-term uptrend here, and that's why the euro is pushing up. Soon we're gonna have very good buy opportunities, so keep an eye on it. GBP USD, we talked about it, reached actually very, very important support level, 1.37 round number. Right now it's pushing up since yesterday. Nothing much yesterday went down, and after that reversed back, and continuation to the upside is pretty possible, even breaking out 1.3815. Very, very simple. It's going to be very simple for the GBP to break out this level. Next levels we're going to put next week most probably, but for now this is it. Australian US, pretty similar like the New Zealand US. We talked about it. Australian is stronger than the New Zealand dollar because it's having a very strong support level, 0.7563, and pushing up. The price didn't manage to break it out. False breakout here and going up. I hope you guys caught good price on the Australian US. New Zealand, US broken the support level. That's why I'm not relying completely on the New Zealand US. Of course, we've been looking for buy opportunity, especially considering the last news we've got from the Federal Reserve, from Powell, and etc. So definitely this could push the US dollar going even further down, as we mentioned, and this resistance could be broken very, very easily. 0.71 is round number, very strong resistance, bear in mind that. So if you're gonna pick between Australian and New Zealand, definitely the Australian is the better choice. USD Canadian going directly to the crude. Crude is waiting for the crude oil inventories report today. Very important also because 2:30 p.m. GMT is going to be released. As you can see, it's still holding these levels because of the US dollar future potential weakness. We definitely can see crude pushing up for one more time. But crude, in my opinion, is absolutely short opportunity for now because it just recovered most of its drop, and still there is a lot of supply that's coming up. And USD CAD, of course, it's kind of obvious. US dollar is going down. This is one of my favorite moments when the price super clearly respect the resistance and the support levels. The price just touched, just take a look, touched the resistance level 1.2623 and bounce back immediately in order to drop with 100 pips away from this resistance. Five times touched, 1, 2, and here 3 more times touched the resistance level 1.2466. Absolutely not gonna be surprised to see this level. USD Swiss, we talked about it as well. Big correction, guys. Whoever called this, he's very happy right now. 220 pips away from the drop. Of course, it was about to be very hard to catch from the top to the bottom, and of course to further down catch the moment. But definitely we talked about it that very soon USD Swiss is going to drop. So this is what I was talking about. It absolutely the same with USD Japanese yen. Just it's a little bit slower than the USD Swiss, 200 pips away from the top. USD Japan is going down, and I think there is a lot of space to go down. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, if you want to support our channel, just do it, share us and like us on the social medias. Thumbs up if you like the video. Of course, you know how to reach me if you would like to. Go have fun, enjoy the week, enjoy the weekend, and expect my new video on Monday. Bye bye.